Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Alright viewers and subscribers, I don't know, this is the Dancehall Skilla, you see it? No, there's a whole lot of speculations and assumptions and things go around on social media between some form of negotiation between SKATTA and ROMIECH, you see me? Now, Sumfest is a big show, you know what I mean? One of the biggest shows in Jamaica, and SKATTA is trying to negotiate with ROMIECH to get his 3 artists for that show. Now, ROMIECH said that he want 3 mil, but when me calculate it, that is more than 3 million to me. You see me? I say, but ROMIECH said he want 3 mil. That would be 1.5 for Ding Dong, 1 for Shensia, and 750,000 for TJ. You see me? But SKATTA have something to say about this, you know, because there's a leaked voice note going on around right now. You see me? Basically, it's a leaked voice note showing the conversation because SKATTA said what he have to say, but ROMIECH replied, but ROMIECH text, but SKATTA did the voice note. So me I say, and also Squash name get called in it too. You see me I say, what them say about Squash? We're gonna make you hear everything look around from this. So me I say, I am going to play the voice note, you know, that leaked voice note that is from SKATTA. You get what I'm saying to you? It's kinda put together in some little part while I show you a picture of the conversation that was on the phone that it is from. You know what I'm saying to you? So bear in mind, you're going to see a little thing will show you the voice note and so forth, but it's not exactly no video or anything. It's just a picture and so forth. You see what I say? So this is what SKATTA have to say. Observe.
I promise you 3 mil for 3 artists, you know. No, I promise you 3 mil for 3 artists, so I make you know straight up right now, ROMIECH. So come like, that's why I know, so I reach out and we negotiate. Regardless of what I say, we are left off ROMIECH, Ding Dong away. And negotiate me, I call you, we talk to you now because certain part of the show, Joe, we talked earlier, but I know the negotiation start because, as I said, the people them behind the business want to see contracts, so me I call you now and I negotiate. Me not left Ding Dong outside, but you and Joe did that talk before, so I just do want to know we on the depend. Because I don't want to talk out a turn and be disrespectful because I'm still loyal to the brand, but no man discredit Ding Dong for the show, brother. And you know, if you talk them way there to the artists there in ROMIECH, you can't talk them way they say Sumfest no rate, you know. Them, them talk, they cause fiction amongst we as people, you know, brother. Because the first thing you say Sumfest, them no rate. How much years now your artists them do Sumfest ROMIECH? And if the relationship need to build upon and work upon, I could build upon it. But you're not supposed to get up and talk certain things, brother, because you know, say, when it come down to it, we still can work together and achieve certain level of success. Enough people in deal with that promoter them we in a brother. And we get the fight as the only big stage show in Jamaica. We get the resistance we get, and then so when it come down to showtime and when we put out all in our marketing and promotion and make the show look good, man I run in and I make it look like so we never try to do business the right way from the get-go, brother. But 3 mil for 3 artists, it can't work. Because the reason why it can't work, when we give ROMIECH Entertainment 3 mil for 3 artists, and we are trying to book Squash them, and them look at the way I turn up Mobile now. Then every man I go come and say, yo, this one. And I say it I go straight down the line, brother. So we have to deal with all the things stay within Jamaica. You say I build the artists them on an international platform, you can charge any amount of money you want to charge internationally, ROMIECH. Fine. But it's a reggae Sumfest. And reggae Sumfest have something bringing to the table. This is not a promoter or keep a show to put a dollar in a pocket. This is a promoter do something for the entire country and it have to look good. It's just like you go perform on a show at the stadium and you know say it's going to be a good look for your artists them, so you need to try your best to make this thing work. And me know say, if me that manage your 3 artists them, me that want my 3 artists them on Sumfest line up behind each other. Because I saw the career them set right now, every man career moves and I need a stage. So yo, I'm not gonna make one 500,000 mash up the deal. I want it. That's how it thing work.
You see what I want? So at them thing they really and truly are going now. That's the voice note or the leaked voice note what go around from social media right about now. You see me I say, and you hear clearly what SKATTA has said, you see me? And if you notice a Squash name call, you see me? And judging by when time I look on the voice note, you know how the thing set up, that look like that it is from ROMIECH's voice note, you know, from off a ROMIECH phone to me. You see me I said to you, you know, so how that touch on the social media, that's how it seems. You see what I said to you? But you be the judge of that, viewers and subscribers. You see? Now, him say one thing No, it's not say one thing, it's about three things. He could listen more still, but it's just what we get to see right about now, when we have to explain two no, in my view, when me see. See me? Now, him say one, and he really put the number one there, you know, he say one, right? In the go back and talk to artists where me and promoter or whoever talk. Now the part where he say where, I believe that it should be said when me and promoter or whoever talk. You see what I'm saying to you? And I'm gonna try to just say it in my words, because some of the texting them so short-handed, them kinda breaky. You see me? But if you read and you know how a proper sentence is supposed to be placed out, you will understand where my try to say. You see me I say? And when me say two, me mean him literally put the number two. Him say, see, like he said, last year, a soul, Nina Luficiencia, 250,000 offer was what we got. What? 250,000 offer we got was rubbish. So basically, he must say, last year, right, nobody Nina Luficiencia and some $250,000 offer when I get that is rubbish to him. You see me? And then before he finish that statement, him say, before he finish that part, him say, you never did a pre-culture. You see it? Alright, fine. We'll get that part there. But the part now where a buzz social media right about now, you see what I say, is the part that he must say some name what they must call. You see what I say? And he mentioned squash. Right? And all them little man, you see what I say? That what I call. You see what I say? And at the end of it, him said, me can't tell you what to do. He must say to him, say, yo, are your show so me can't tell you what to do. Viewers and subscribers, what if this thing is just a publicity stunt? You know what I mean? Like something fixed, because they know that social media love the whole controversial thing. You see what I say? So what if it's like this now? What if they just do this so that it can draw a certain amount of attention to Sumfest? You get what I say to you? So these little things, because you know me DancehallSkilla, I love to think outside of the box, you know. You see me? I love to really and truly observe most of the time. That's why some of the times when I get certain things, I don't just rush with it out there, because sometimes some things is fixed. You get what I'm saying to you? Now this voice note and texting, this negotiation thing between ROMIECH and SKATTA, you know, with this newfound voice note texting out there right about now, social media have a lot of questions asking. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, about the artists and the money where them worth, you know, some people on social media say, yo, ding dang worth it. Well, a lot of people say on social media, ding dang worth it. And some of them say, no, in kinda, and some I say, yeah, you know, some it's like them have mixed feelings towards this. I mean, I say the same thing they must say about with Shensia, and the same thing they must say with TJ. You don't know how social media is, you know. So I say some is going to be say yes, some is never. You can never get everybody to agree that easily. You see what I'm saying to you? No, the next thing that's out there now, which is some of the very big questions that is asked by social media. So I say, now the one when say with Shensia, they're asking that is he rejoicing? Is I say, like, is he proud? But the one that is mostly raising a like it's a topic right about now is when he says, like, him notice squash name call, and you know, when I run down certain people, and a year show me can't tell you what to do. You see me I say, no, that is not the exact word when him say, but it's almost basically like that. As I say, so that part of the text is causing a buzz on social media where people are asked certain questions. You know, is it that ROMIECH have a problem with squash per general, or is it that him have a problem with other artists being booked over his artists for sure? Is it that he has a problem with money that is being paid for some artists and his artists is not getting that money? What really are going on? You know, these are the questions that are being asked on social media about these things. You see me? And you don't know me DancehallSkilla, me only bring to you what on social media. Nothing added to it, nothing taken from it, because I just bring it to you as it is and leave it for you, my viewers and subscribers, for, you know, tell me what you think about it, and just to keep you up to date and post it and make you see what's up and what's out there. So I say, I don't know the thing already, you see me? But anyways, me leave this with you right about now, you know. So as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think, and always read the comments, as viewers and subscribers will sometimes leave some very informative comments, you know what I mean? And as well, me myself will leave some comments just to keep you up to date to each video that I present to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? Anyways, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it? Hey man, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.